had to put a halt to corn harvest of 2023 because we reached where we had to replant about 150 acres, which happens to be the final acreage. And in that time of us waiting, the peanuts have reached maturity, so we're going to go try to start flipping some peanuts today. I got to fill up these 2 tractors with fuel and then go over to that empty spot in the field over there and set the depth on these blades up here. And we'll get in the field and start flipping some peanuts. I wasn't able to get a lot of ground footage. I unfortunately lost some footage here. But what you're seeing is the peanut inverter pull the peanut plant up, shake it a little bit, and then flip it upside down so the sun can dry out the nuts on the bottom of the plant. We usually give the peanuts 1 to 2 weeks before we try to combine them. This year, it was really overcast and the sun never got to dry out the peanuts, which delayed us by a week. What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be picking some peanuts. I got the peanut combine hooked up. I got some video of us flipping the peanuts. I'm probably just going to make it all one video, part of this one. I don't think I really have much narration on it. I didn't get to run the peanut digger like I did last year, so I really didn't get much footage of it. I got enough to really show what's going on with it and how it works. But let's go try to pick some peanuts today and see how it goes. Well, we finished this 76-acre field. They've moved on to the next field behind our shop over here. We're about to start defoliating cotton. So I'll see you in the sprayer. Well, it's a brand new day. I just got through throwing on this set of blades on this peanut inverter. Only took about 15 minutes. Got them on there. There's 4 blades in total. It helps bring the peanuts out the ground. And when they start getting worn out, the peanuts won't come out the ground all the way, and it'll start leaving half of them in the ground. That's usually when you can tell it's time to start changing them, because they won't be coming up the conveyor chain like they're supposed to. Here's the old ones right here. See how they got that wear line right there? It's supposed to be straight. It usually indicates that it's time to change them, but I'll see y'all in the field. Well, I went from the sprayer to a peanut digger. We were spraying cotton defoliant yesterday, and we got somebody spraying today. We got 64 acres sprayed yesterday. We're just knocking the leaves off so we can pick the cotton. I'm over here digging the last 100 acres of peanuts so we can let them dry out and harvest them too. Well, last night I finished digging peanuts for the 2023 season. I'm taking this tractor back home to unhook combine. I still got another tractor hooked up to a peanut digger. I gotta bring it home probably this evening, and then this evening also I want to defoliate some cotton. So we'll see how far that goes. We're on our last 300 acres of cotton to defoliate. Everything's been running just fine. I didn't really get to get a lot of footage because I've just been so busy with it. But all we're doing, spraying a special blend of chemicals that makes all these leaves fall off the cotton plant, and all these little bowls will open up. Some of them have already started opening up, as you see right there. As you see, all of those bowls, these are bowls. They'll open up. That's what actually contains the fruit of the cotton plant, which is the cotton. It'll open up, all the leaves will fall off, and then you'll be able to come in and pick it within 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah. That's him running over there. And you gotta spray it with a fog so the chemical will actually reach all the way down to the bottom of the plant. I think that's gonna do it for this video, y'all. I really appreciate it. We're up to 212 subscribers now. That's awesome. Y'all been pulling up my videos. Thank y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.